Mas tingnan mo yung own life mo, you don't care about them. Mas tingnan mo yung sarili mo. Ganon ang sikreto sa buhay for you to be able to live a happy life. Let people have their own, sa buhay nila, and mind your own, because you are that person who's 1% better every day. Definitely, yung success mo, yung transformation mo, yung character na na-mold mo sa'yo, yung attitude na na-form mo, yan ang magtuturo at tutulong sa world na kinagagalawan mo. Just mind your own life. Tsaka pagka nag-entertain ka ng ganun, magkakaroon talaga ng negative thoughts. Lalo na pag hindi pa matibay-tibay sa buhay. Kaya when you are still, going along in life, having that certainty sa buhay mo, having that stand, kasi yung iba hindi firm mag-stand. Ano ba? Sasabihin nila, mahina lang loob ko, ganito lang ako, ganyan ako. Yung mga hindi firm mag-stand pa, make sure that you don't entertain anything like that. You just smile, laugh at it, and okay, life is like that. We tend to have different kinds of people in our lives. And nandyan sila